Hello viewers, Newton's Law question 4, and we have the situation of a gun which is 1.1 metres long and it accelerates a 4.2 gram bullet to a speed of 923 metres per second. So our first task is to find the acceleration of said bullet. Okay, so we need to use the kinematic equations of motion here. So first thing is our displacement, which is the same as the length of the barrel of the gun, which is 1.1 metres. We need the acceleration. We want to find what the acceleration is what we want. We know that the initial speed must be 0 metres per second before it gets fired. It's just sitting stationary inside the gun, and the final speed is 923 metres per second. So the kinematic equation of motion, which has S, A, U and V, is V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. And if we solve that for A, first we move the U squared to the other side, so that becomes V squared minus U squared equals 2AS, so we divide by 2S, which is going to be equal to 923 squared minus 0 squared over 2 times 1.1, which gives you 387,240 metres per second squared. So that's the acceleration of the bullet inside the gun. Question B, we need to find the force, which is, we've got the acceleration, we've got the mass, so we'll use F equals ma. So the mass is 4.2 grams, which is, I need to convert that into kilograms, 0.0042, multiplied by acceleration, which we just found to be 387,240. And if we calculate that, we end up with 1,626 newtons. And the direction is, let's say, forwards. Question C, what is the force of the bullet on the gun and which direction does it act? Okay, so this is just Newton's third law. So the gun pushes the bullet forwards, which means that the bullet must push the gun backwards with the same size force, and this would be backwards. And question D. So we're looking at the recoil of the gun now. If the gun has a mass of 3 kilograms, what is the acceleration of the gun? So acceleration is force divided by mass. That's just a rearrangement of F equals ma that we used in question B. So the acceleration is 1626 divided by the mass is 3, and we get 542 metres per second squared. That would also be backwards. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.